Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Today I have this quick and easy last minute Valentine's Day makeup. This is not the makeup. This is the makeup I'm gonna do in today's video. I feel like it's super fast. You're gonna achieve this in less than 10 minutes. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's just jump into it. Okay, so let's just assume that you just got, first of all, wait a second. First of all, Valentine's Day is gonna be on a Wednesday. Why would you wanna go have dinner on a Wednesday night when you can go easily on a Friday night, Saturday night? So this is what we usually do. We don't celebrate Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day. We wait till Friday or Saturday, so that's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna call on Monday to this nice restaurant we have nearby, and I'm gonna, reserve a table for two for Friday. We don't celebrate Valentine's Day if it's on a Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever, so we wait till Friday, and I suggest you to do the same, okay? Because the next day at work, you're gonna have this huge hot mess hangover, and you won't be feeling yourself if you want to celebrate Valentine's Day on a Wednesday. I'm telling you, bitch, this is risky. So let's say that you guys want to celebrate Valentine's Day on a Wednesday night, and you just got from work and you have like 1 hour to get ready to go out, and you already have some makeup on. Okay, so this is what this video is all about. Let's say that you already have some makeup on, foundation, concealer, eyebrows, maybe a little bit of bronzer or highlight or blush, whatever makeup you have on, and you want to do some eyeshadow, but you don't want to go crazy with eyeshadow because if you get deep into eyeshadow, it takes a long time to blend it out, so you just want a little bit of something. Okay, so I'm gonna get you a little bit closer to my face, and I'm gonna do something with my eyes. I'm gonna do something on my lids. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow. First, I'm gonna give you a quick update on this foundation that I recently did a first impressions video on it, and also this concealer. They are from Sheglam. I'm wearing them right now, and you definitely need to prep well your skin before applying this foundation, but honestly it kind of looks how it looked on that day, and that day I haven't prepped my skin because the foundation, it looked weird on top of the skincare I already had on that day. So I took it off and I applied this foundation on my bare skin, and it kind of looks the same today. I don't know if that makes any sense. I just sprayed this fixing spray on my face, so that's why it looks a little bit dewy, but it didn't look dewy, so probably I should had wait applying this after. Okay, listen, it's not that bad. The only fact I don't like about this foundation is that it gathers so much around my nostrils. It's not as intense. Wait a second, guys, I need to bring you closer. As you can see, around my nostrils doesn't look good. This bitch. I also applied 2 thin layers because I want that coverage. I'm a coverage foundation girl. Listen, other than that, I do really like it. My mistake today was that I used the Sheglam powder with this concealer, and as you can see, my under eyes look so dry, so crusty. It doesn't feel dry, like I'm not experiencing that tightness feeling, but it definitely looks dry, and I did set my face with this, so this powder is a huge no. I'm not gonna use it under my eyes, but it looks beautiful everywhere else. So that's the tea. This is a little update I wanted to give you guys on this foundation. I do really like it. I just feel like you shouldn't go crazy with too much product around the nose or your smile lines or even my forehead. I didn't do 2 layers on my forehead, but as you can see, it did gathered too much on my expression lines, wrinkles, fine lines, whatever these are. Okay, so other than that, I do really like it. It worked beautiful with the creamy products I applied on top of it. Everything went so smooth, so nice. My face, like the rest of my face, it looks nice. It's kind of giving dewy, but as I said, I set my face with this setting spray. So yeah, I feel like this is the update. Don't be like me. Don't use this concealer with this powder if you have dry skin, dry under eyes, especially dry under eyes, because you can see how, like, do you see those lines in there? I didn't have them when I filmed the first impressions video like last week, but other than that, I do really like the combo. All my camera batteries are shitting on me today. I don't understand. Okay, so today I think I'm gonna use these two mini Sheglam eyeshadow palettes. I also recently bought them, and I'm gonna do something like slightly there, but it's gonna look beautiful, trust me. So I'm gonna remove my lashes. Ugh. Be gentle. My lids are a little bit tacky, even though I did set them with powder. I have this concealer on my lids. I'm not gonna apply anything on my lids. I'm just gonna go with it, because as I said, let's pretend you are in a rush. You have only 1 hour to probably fix a little bit your hair and to do a little bit of eyeshadow. So let's just go with that, okay? You don't have time to prep your lids. You just want a little bit of sparkle in there. You just want a little bit of something. Let's hope I won't be getting any fallout on my skin, because that's not smart, okay? If you have those eyeshadow catching pads, whatever they are called, use them. I do not have them. I'm gonna start with this beautiful rosy color, so that's even more perfect for the Valentine's Day. I'm gonna start with a fluffy brush. Okay, let's see how this is my first time using these mini eyeshadow. Wow, okay, Sheglam. Alrighty, let's see the color payoff. This is definitely buildable. It looks intense if you don't. Oh, you see, like I went crazy there. Don't do that. I'm having my color switch sponge, whatever, for your brushes to kind of remove some of that pigment. So I'm gonna just apply this in the pocket of my eye. That's how that's called. This will be my transition shade. This will be my biatch for the night. So apply how much you like. If you feel like you went crazy like I just did, take a clean brush and go, or maybe your sponge. Take your sponge and go and tap that. Oh my goodness. You see how easy that was to fix? Wow. Okay, we like that. We like that. I'm gonna go and apply this on my bottom lashes as well. This color honestly is so beautiful. Okay, now let's just fluff that up a little bit. Nice. I'm picking just a little bit more. Maybe that's too much. Okay, so if you feel like you want a little bit more depth, go and add a darker shade in there. If you don't have these eyeshadows, which I'm assuming you guys don't, I just purchased it, or maybe you have them. I'm sorry. Use whatever you have at home. That's the point here, okay? I'm taking a smaller blending brush. This is from this brand Jessup, and it's the Firm Blender 244. As I said, these shades, they all seems to have some type of shimmer in there, and I don't really like that. But I'm gonna pick this darker shade right here, just a little bit. It is not as powdery as the matte one, so I'm gonna go right below that shade and try to make it a little bit more darker. I can kind of see the shimmer, so I want just a little bit Oh, doesn't look too good. Okay, you're gonna have to blend the shit out of this. If you want to use this color, don't. Please try to work it out fast. Okay, fast. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Okay, I just wanted a little bit of intensity in there. So use an eyeshadow that you know and you worked before with, because this is a new product for me. So yeah, I'm trying to nail it here. Okay, listen, that looks good. So I'm gonna take the exact same small brush I used before, and I'm gonna go with the same darker shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And again, I'm gonna take the first brush that we used and blend that out. Oh, don't get that in your eyes. This looks honestly easy. It looks like you did put a little bit of effort. It's not boom in your face. It's soft and it's giving romantic. But wait, we are not finished. Listen, I'm gonna go again with the first mini palette we used, and I'm gonna pick this beautiful topper. So if you wanna go and apply a different eyeshadow in the center, go do that, but I'm gonna go with this topper so it will look like I have nothing there but glitter. Okay, because this is what it is. You guys see how, wow, it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna apply this right here. This is truly so beautiful. It reminds me of the of this pigment that I got from this brand that I don't recommend because they are so shady. So it reminds me so much of this loose pigment. Oh my goodness, it's insane. Sheglam, you guys nailed it. I love this topper right here. This is the best. Wow. Let me apply some more because I love it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Listen. I'm gonna take a small brush like this, and I'm gonna pick more of this beautiful topper and try to be a little bit more precise right here in my inner part, because my finger, like I can't reach that area with my finger. And basically that's it. This is the eye makeup. I'm telling you, you're gonna achieve this in less than 10 minutes. I just finished my other eye and I applied the lashes. Oh my goodness, I truly like how this looks. As I said, it's giving romantic. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of this beautiful shimmery topper. This is not shimmer, this is more than that. And I'm gonna apply some of it right in my inner corner for that extra sparkle in there. So for that extra sparkle, go and apply this more because you want to blind the motherfucker. Listen, in a low light, this will sparkle like nobody's business. It will look so beautiful. Let me just put my flash on. No, it's not giving what? Oh, no, it's not giving that. No, wait. You see what I'm trying to explain here? You see that sparkle? Imagine you stay under this yellowish romantic light. Even a light from a candle will do the trick. Like, look how beautiful and sparkle that is. Do you guys see it? Am I crazy? It's just me. So you can go and apply some mascara on your bottom lashes. I'm not gonna do that because I really don't care having mascara there. For the lips, you can keep it natural. I kind of want to keep it natural because I don't have like a red lipstick. I don't purchase those anymore. I'm not as creative as I was in the past, and I'm truly sorry for that because I do really like to switch it up. Okay, I think this might work. I have this lip liner from this brand, Diego Dalla Palma. It's in the shade 80 and it's giving the exact It's giving the exact same energy as the first shade we used in the crease. It's giving rose girly. Look how pink my lips are. I just wiped that off. And also I found this lip tint from Clarins. I'm gonna try something here, so bear with me. First I'm gonna apply this on top of the lip liner that I kind of have there. Oh wow, this is hard. I don't like this. Okay, I found this one. It's from Essence. It's kind of in the same range, color, shade. What? Oh Jesus, why are these lip liners so hard to get on the lips? Like, I have to press it very hard. Wow, don't do that. Ah, goodness, this is insane. But I said I'm gonna make it work, so allow me to try hard. Okay, I feel like that will do. Next I'm gonna go with this lip tint, whatever this is. It smells so good. It smells like frambuesas. I'm gonna apply it mostly in the center. Oh, by the way, this is very dry on the lips. So I think I'm gonna go with a lip gloss on top because this is so dry. The combo is cute. As I said, it's giving girly. It's giving kissable. Not really. Not really, because it looks kind of dry. I'm gonna go with this lip gloss on top. This is from this brand. I think it's a Spanish brand. Webo. Lip Sensation. Oh my god. Listen, we are done. We are so ready to go have dinner with our significant other. This makeup is done, you guys. It was so easy peasy. I'm telling you, you can achieve this eyeshadow look in less than 10 minutes. And I'm not joking. Let me get a little bit closer to you so you can see how beautiful this, honestly. It's so beautiful, right? I love it. It's giving romantic. It's giving take me to dinner. Take me to a fancy restaurant. So there you have it, my beautiful people. All you have to do now is go find yourself a cute outfit, spray your favorite perfume, the one that smells extra sexy. Okay, this is an example. This one too. So go do that and you are ready to go. Have fun. Happy Valentine's Day. Keep the love on. Yeah, keep the love on, I guess. Wow. Is my brain working? I don't know. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Have fun. Happy Valentine's Day again. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.